Thank you so very much, everyone. How you guys feeling tonight? Once again, we are very honored to be here in your beautiful state, beautiful country. We traveled a very, very long way from the United States. 38 hours on a plane for you this evening. So we are very thankful. Thank you so much to the festival, She-Rock Festival. Thank you to each and every one of you for coming out and enjoying a wonderful night here of live music. You're a beautiful audience. I'm sure that many of you know this next song, so if you know the words, please sing it very loud and proud with us, okay?
Hush now, don't you cry. Wipe away the teardrop from your eye. You're lying safe in bed. It was all about dreams spinning in your head. Your mind tricked you to feel the pain of someone close to you leaving the game of life. So here it is, another chance. Wide awake, you face the day the dream is over. Or has it just begun? There's a place I'd like to hide. It's all without I won't do in the night. Relax, child, you were there. Only you don't realize that you were scared. It's a place where you face your fears, trace the years, ride the wind of mine. Belonging in another world, sadly, you hear it say, it's magic new dimension. Everyone! I will be watching over you. Smiling next to you, in silent lucidity. I'm tumbling down and I know what will begin. Living twice once you learn. You save the pain and the dream of men are so set free to fly. A round trip Johnny in your head, a master of illusion. You realize dreams alive, you can be the God book. I will be watching over you. Matty Paul, sing it. I'm gonna help see you through. I will protect you in the night. Beautiful, thank you. All right.
You sound beautiful tonight. We applaud you. Thank you so very much. Hey, G, just a little bit less, not off. Just a little bit, okay, buddy? All right, we're going to turn the heat up on this next one. Are you guys ready? The song is called Guardian!
Tracking blood upon a street. Security is breached. Political and imposter savior. When the mountain is alive. A pixels open. In a red from the sides. That's it upon you. They said they can obey. That's just supremacy. Right to live another day. Yes, some do. United, team running, revolution coming. United, team running, revolution coming. It's a reaction. This time we play for keeps. Roaming police like the military. It's obscene. I'm the stalk in the street.